love rainy days.
Me too, Anna.
This tea is very good.
Captain, what is wrong? Do you hear something? Captain, stop. What is it? Okay, let's look. Whoa, it is so cold. Wait, Captain, wait for me. Captain, stop barking. What is in that box? Okay, I am going closer.
What is inside?
It moved. Okay, I am opening it. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, they are so small. They are wet. They are cold. Mom, Dad, come here. Come here right now.
That is Jack.
Something is wrong.
Let's go. Jack, where are you?
I see him. He is over there.
Oh my goodness. They are tiny.
I know, Mom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 kittens. 5. I counted 2. Where did they come from?
I do not know.
Nobody is outside.
We need to bring them inside.
Jack! Mom! What is happening? Why is everyone outside?
Anna, look in the box.
Oh. They are kittens! Baby kittens! Can I touch them, please? We need to go inside now. They are cold. They are wet. Brown, hold the door open.
Got it. Let's go. Okay, we have 5 kittens. What do we do now?
We help them, right, Mom?
Yes, we help them. Put the box here, on the floor. Can I look? Can I look now? Yes, but be gentle, Anna.
Let me count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5 kittens. I counted 2.
Yes, 5 kittens.
They are shivering, Mom. They are so cold. I know. We will warm them up. Jack, get some towels, small ones, from the bathroom.
On it. I will be fast.
Like this, Anna. Very gentle. Okay, I am being careful. Good girl. Just like that.
Look at that one. He is orange.
He is looking around.
He is so small, but so brave.
She is on my shoulder, the white one. She is on me. I can see that, Anna. I am not going to move. He is sleeping.
How? It is so noisy in here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, where is number 5? I only see 4. Mom!
There, in the corner. She is very still.
Is she okay?
Let me look at her. She is breathing, but she is very small.
What do kittens eat, Dad?
I do not know.
You do not know?
I will look it up. Okay, I am reading. Okay, I see. They cannot drink regular milk.
Really? Why not?
It is bad for kittens. They need special kitten milk.
Oh, I did not know that. Where do we get kitten milk?
The pet store or the big store.
It is raining. It is late.
I will go.
Dad, it is raining hard.
I know, but they need food.
Thank you, Brown.
I am a good dad.
They need names.
Yes, good idea, Anna.
I have names already.
You do? What are they?
This one is Rusty. Midnight. This one is Midnight. This one is Cloud. That one is Stripe. And this one, her name is Dot. She is the smallest. She is special.
Rusty, Midnight, Cloud, Stripe, Dot. Good names, Anna.
Thank you, Jack. Where is Mochi? I have not seen her.
I forgot about Mochi.
She was upstairs before. Mochi, come here. Come down. Come on, Mochi. Come and see.
I will get her. Don't worry. There we go, Mochi. Come on.
She does not look happy, Jack.
She is fine. She is great.
She sees them.
Uh-oh. She is so angry.
They do not even notice her. She thinks they are in her house.
This is her house.
Mochi, it is okay. They need help. They are babies. We will take care of you too.
Is Mochi okay?
She is okay. She is just surprised.
I would be surprised too.
I am back. I got everything.
Dad, you are so wet.
Yes, I know.
Thank you, Brown. Really.
Kitten milk, tiny bottles, soft food.
They are so small. The bottles are tiny.
For tiny mouths.
Anna, you take Cloud. Jack takes Stripe.
How do I do this?
Hold him gently, like this. Yes. Cloud, Cloud, please. Let go of the bottle, Cloud. She loves it, Mom.
Stripe, wake up. It is dinner time.
He is still sleeping.
Put the food near his nose.
Oh, he smells it. He licked it. He is still asleep.
Come on, Dot. Just a little. Good girl. That is good. She drank some, Mom. Is this soft enough? Very soft. Good work.
Sleep well, Rusty.
Good morning, babies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They're all here. Dot? Good morning, Dot. She is very quiet today, too. Jack, Dot is not eating much.
How much is she eating?
Very little. I am worried.
Dad, where is their mother?
I think she was lost in the storm.
She got lost?
Maybe. We do not know.
The babies do not know where she is.
Can we look for her? We can go look in the street.
Sit down, Jack. We have a plan.
We make signs. We put them outside. Maybe someone knows the mother cat.
I can make a good sign. I am writing, found 5 kittens.
I am writing 5 kittens with 3 exclamation points.
I think you have 4 now, Jack.
Stay still, kittens. I need a photo.
Dad, they cannot understand you.
They could try.
Maybe. We will see.
Will someone know her, Dad?
Excuse me, do you know this cat? We found 5 kittens last night in a box.
Do you know their mother?
Oh, I'm so sorry. I haven't seen her.
Nobody knows.
No, nobody knows.
We tried, Jack. I know. We did our best.
They do not know. They do not know she is gone.
What do you mean, Anna?
The mother, they do not know. Some animals get lost.
We do not always know why.
But we take care of them now.
That is what we do.
You found them, Captain. Good boy. Very good boy.
We cannot keep 5 cats.
Four can find good homes.
1 can stay with us.
But they all live here now.
4 can find new homes. 1 can stay. We choose which one.
I cannot choose. I love all of them.
Oh, she came to me.
Anna, I think Dot chose you.
Maybe Dot stays.
I will post their photos online.
That was fast.
Hello? Yes, we have kittens.
Lots of people want kittens.
Hello? Yes, 5 kittens. One moment. I heard about the kittens. I brought supplies.
Come in.
Miss Cindy, you have a huge bag.
Come in, please. This is so much, Cindy.
They need a lot. Kittens are small but busy. Kitten milk, heating pad, tiny bottles.
This is so much stuff.
This bottle is better than the other one.
The heating pad goes here, not too hot. Wrap it in cloth first, like this.
Okay, I understand. Thank you.
Oh, hello, little ones.
This is Rusty. He is very brave. That is Midnight. She is very smart.
Do you have other pets at home? Okay, good. And children? Thank you. I will call you back soon.
I have a list of good families. They need a yard and patience.
That is a very good list, Anna.
I have one question for each family.
One question, Jack?
Yes, one important question.
Do you have a yard? That is a good question, Jack.
Kittens need warmth every 2 hours.
Every 2 hours?
Yes, they are very small. They need help.
Like a baby.
Exactly like a baby.
Yes, hello. The kittens are doing well.
Cloud is on your shoulder, Sophia.
I know, I am aware.
Mom, Dot is not moving much. Mom, Dot is not moving much.
Let me see.
What is wrong with Dot?
She needs more help. I am calling the vet.
She is not eating. She is very still. Keep her warm every 30 minutes. Okay, I understand. Thank you.
Small amounts, very gentle. Watch her breathing. Call back in 1 hour.
Okay, I understand.
Stay warm, little one.
Come on, Dot, stay with us. We need you to stay.
She is drinking. She is drinking, Brown.
Okay.
Look at her. Good girl, Dot.
She is really eating.
Did she just blink at Dot?
Yes, that means she likes her.
She stays.
She stays. Hello, come in. This is Rusty.
He is very brave and bold.
Do you have a yard?
He likes you. He puffed his chest. That is good. He likes to be the boss. Just let him. He is very brave. He will protect you.
Okay, thank you.
Goodbye, Rusty.
Goodbye, Midnight.
Goodbye, Cloud. Let go. Let go. She loves shoulders. Just let her climb. Goodbye, Cloud. Be good.
Goodbye, Stripe. Sleep well.
It is quiet now.
Yeah.
I was just checking on her.
Sure, Dad.
You love her, Dad?
Maybe a little.
Everyone, this is Dot. She lives here now.
Yes, she does.
Yes, she does.
Mochi is sitting next to Dot.
Close, but not too close.
That is Mochi being kind.
She is sniffing everything.
She is learning her house.
He is following her.
He is protecting her.
Mochi is watching her.
Yes, she has been watching her all morning.
Good girl. Good girl, Dot. This morning, Dot escaped from the basket. She walked across the kitchen. Captain followed her. She found the food bowl she ate by herself.
Wow, I know.
Dad, what did we learn?
We learned that small things need help. We learned that helping feels good. We learned that love has room.
There is always room for more love. The room does not get smaller, it gets bigger. We learned to be kind. That is all.
Captain knew. He knew before all of us.
She is purring. Mom, she is purring.
Yes, she is.
Mochi, you came.
More love. Same home.
More love, same home.
That is Dad.
That is exactly Dad.
Cindy is asking about Dot.
Tell her she is purring.
I am telling her.
Thank you for watching with us today. Have you ever found an animal that needed help?
Tell us in the comments.
We want to hear your story.
And say hello to Dot.